Welcome to day 10 of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. Today is one of our favorite days, Fabric Day.
Behold, the rainbow wall of happiness. If color therapy had a mascot, this would be it.
And we're pairing all of this gorgeous fabric with a look at some of our amazing quilting machines, perfect for piecing, quilting, and bringing all of your creative ideas to life.
And today's giveaway is a fat quarter bundle from Maywood Studios, valued at over $100.
And helping us today is Kristin, our fabric and quilting machine wizard.
So let's dive into day 10. So I'm here. This is day 10. Can you believe day 10?
Oh my gosh,
and I'm with
that's a lot of bows.
A lot of bows, yeah. And I'm here with Kristin. And Kristin is our fabric curator. How do you say it? Something like
Curator.
like that title.
No.
Tell us, I look at this store. This store is almost half fabric, or maybe it is half fabric. It's a lot of fabric here. I don't know if you've been in our Lake Oswego store. We're in the Lake Oswego store. This is a very fabric-holic store.
Yeah, yeah.
So when you buy fabric for us, what do you look for in fabric?
So predominantly we're looking at quilting cottons. That's what we have the most of here, although we're getting into some more garmenty stuff. And I'm looking for quality. I'm buying quilt shop quality fabrics, and so the base fabric, the gray goods, is very high quality, nice and dense, soft.
Yeah.
And then I'm looking for gorgeous designs. I want to see beautiful illustrations and lovely colors and things that you want to spend time with.
Right, you do a great job with it too. I'll never forget the first time we just started, we hadn't even opened the store yet. You hadn't really even started working for us yet, but you took me to the quilt market down at the convention center over here in Portland, and you had me touch fabrics. And I remember the difference, the feeling of fabrics, right?
Yeah.
Remember the coarse and cheap stuff, and then the really soft stuff. And you would tell me, this is what we want to carry. We want to carry the best fabrics. And I remember we went through the whole quilt thing.
Yeah.
I learned so much about fabrics at
All
that
of a
time.
sudden, it's not just about price, it's about the quality, the variety, and that we have to plan ahead too. We were ordering stuff that we weren't going to get for 3 to 6 months.
I know, it was, yeah, and I didn't even know that either, right?
Right.
I learned so much at that time, right? How did you get started in all this anyway?
I've always been crafty, and it started, drawing from an early age, and we had a sewing machine that was just there at the house, a little tiny Singer, and my sister and I learned to sew our doll clothes, Barbie clothes, and then it went into sewing clothes in high school, and then I discovered quilting when I met my husband. His sisters and mom are big quilters.
Oh, wow.
So it was just a natural progression, a wonderful way to express my creativity.
So not only you're into fabrics, but you're also into quilting, and we're gonna take a look at some quilting machines. So let's go over and why don't you show us something over
All
there.
right.
So right now I'm here in front of a quilting machine with Kristin. Kristin, now you have a quilting machine, right?
I do.
And you do all your own, do your own quilting?
I do my own quilting.
So how much does it cost, like if I was gonna send my quilt out? Let's say I had a queen size quilt and I was gonna have someone machine quilt it for me. How much
yeah,
does that
it
cost?
costs you at least $100, maybe $200 or more if you wanted custom quilting.
Okay, but now if we have our own machine,
It's free!
Yeah, everything's free, right?
It's all free.
Well, that's great. So we have quilting machines at all prices. This is actually a great one. This is our Bernina here, but we have machines starting at under $5,000 as quilting machines. So you want to come into one of our stores to actually get a demonstration on some of these.
Yeah.
But what are some of the things that you've done in quilting machines?
Well, I'm wearing a jacket that I embellished by quilting a design into the back of it.
Oh, wow.
So super subtle, but very cool. We also have a jacket that we used the couching foot, and we're able to embellish the jacket with some beautiful cording. And we made a bench pillow that was just a straight line embroidery design that we were able to blow up because of the size of the long arm.
Okay.
And make a really big embroidery design.
Wow.
In addition to quilting wall hangings and baby quilts, and my machine I can go up to a king size.
Wow.
So I've done all sized quilts.
Wow. Now, people also talk about computerized quilting.
Yes.
What is computerized quilting actually?
So non-computerized quilting, I would be moving the head of the machine around. And so if I'm kind of moving rough my design's gonna be a little rough. There's ways to help smooth that out, but computerized, you've got some gears and belts that move, and a computer that moves the machine for you. And so what you're doing is choosing a design that has been pre-designed, someone else has designed it, and you've loaded it into the machine and told it, I want to do it this big and this many times. And then you push the button and the machine goes.
Just does it for you.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's some great, we have some great technology here, right?
Yeah, it makes it really, you can do what's called edge-to-edge design, super easy. And then of course there's all kinds of ways to combine designs and do certain parts and different, get custom with and make the quilt exactly how you want it.
Well, the cool thing about buying a quilt machine from Montavilla, you get
lessons.
Get help. Yeah, we help you out. We make sure that you get on your way with it. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for telling us all about this. And do you have a favorite Christmas memory?
I love baking cookies all month long. That's one of my favorite things to do. I have lots of recipes that I fall back on, do over and over again.
So our code word today is Christmas cookies. And we win what?
We win fat quarters. This is a big 25 fat quarter bundle from Maywood Studios, which is one of our local fabric design companies. And it would make a lovely quilt, kind of like this.
Great. So check your email tomorrow, enter to win, and remember the code word, which is Christmas cookie. See you tomorrow at day 11.